Okay, let's see. Who is my assassin? You're my target. Okay. That guy is my next target, so I'm gonna go for him. Hey, you all. It's Michael's Hot Bimbos. Please don't hate me. That's just something that came up in my head. Don't ask why I said it. Anyways, we are going to be playing AsSaSsIn. In today's video, we are playing Tower of Hell. Okay, let's see. We have this person as my target. So let's take her down. Or him, either one. Alright, we got him down. Okay. Who is... This guy's definitely my assassin. You're definitely my assassin. Stop acting fishy. Stop acting fishy. Stop acting fishy. You're really acting fishy, dude. Like, it's pretty obvious who you are. Okay. Let's have a duel with this dude. I feel like I'm gonna lose, but who cares, you know? Okay. Come on. Swear I've been in a game with this dude before. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. You can do this. You can do this. I can win. I can win. You can do this. You can do this. Don't let your fans down. I let you guys down. Sorry. Waiting in the lobby, waiting in the lobby. My inventory sucks. If anyone has an offer, you can, but my inventory sucks. That's sad. That's real sad. Okay, so Jaden is our... Wait, Jaden. Aiden. Get it? No? Yeah, let's actually play the game. Okay. Where is Jaden? Okay. Come on. Kick down Jaden. Alright, we got him down. Alright. Okay, time to end up this crappy video. Come on, stop and move. Okay, this has been Michael's Hot Bimbos. And yeah, so remember, stay safe and stay awesome. Yeah, this has been Michael's. This has been Michael's Hot. This has been Michael's Hot Bimbos. This has been your host, Michael's Hot Bimbos. Anyways, remember, stay safe and stay awesome. Peace out. Feel.